Hello everyone, this is our fifth lecture of this Power BI course, how to download and install the Power BI desktop. So installing the Power BI desktop and adjusting the setting accordingly according to this course. So if you have already downloaded, it's okay. Otherwise, if you haven't downloaded the Power BI, so it's very simple process. I will tell you. Just had to go on powerbi.microsoft.com and click on the start button and start free button at the center. You can see it, and that will take you to the another page, and it will be looking like this. And you need to scroll down a bit, and you can see the download button here, and click the download free button. That will actually start downloading your Power BI desktop. Once the download is complete, you can fire up the program for the first time, and it will likely see the screen like this, and looking something like this. So now it may ask you to sign in to collaborate or share content. So keep in mind that you don't have to sign in to use the Power BI desktop. In fact, you can click the get data button and get started, or simply close this screen and continue using the Power BI desktop as normal. So the sign in is only required to access the sharing and collaborating tool available for the Power BI services at the apps.powerbi.com. And you can absolutely sign in or create an account. Even in fact, you can get 60 days pro trial as well when you do sign in. And but right now it is not required at this moment. So what next now? So let's talk course option and setting. So there are three different adjustments that you need to make just to make sure that we guys are on the same page throughout this course. So first look at the preview feature and make sure those are deselected as Power BI like Microsoft roll out a new beta features and tools. So those will populate in this list and have the option to enable them and try them out. So in that case, like we are going to deselect all those options and make sure that we are working on the same core platform. Secondly, second, we were going to update our data load setting to deselect the auto like the new relationship option. And basically Power BI is very smart tool. So when you load up the data, it actually goes to analyze the data and look for the relationship, if any of the relationship is present or not. So and say it will say like, yes, I got the primary key here and got the foreign key here. So Power BI think that Gaurav is trying to create a relationship between these tables, so it will automatically add the relationship for me. So which is great, but it's not good uh, when you are going to demonstrate how and why to create a certain types of a relationship. So it's not good for us. So for this moment we will uncheck this option as well. So now I am going to open the Power BI right now, and just to show these two options in the actual Power BI environment. Okay, so let me open the Power BI first, and then I will show you the changes. So it's opening the Power BI. It usually take some seconds. So as soon as you will open this Power BI, so you will see this page, and this is the kind like you can skip again. So we can just doing the cross. Okay, so all right, so now I'm in the Power BI. I'm going to go all the way to the left top corner, and I will click on the file. So you will see this type of a interface, and then we will go to the options and setting, and then we will go to the options. So when you will click on the option, so this dialog box will appear, and again like we need to deselect the preview feature. So we will search the preview feature in this, And this is the here we are seeing the preview feature. So you can see this is the preview feature page, and these are the upcoming or the testing phase things like the shape map visual, Spanish language support, modern visualization tip. So we will deselect each and everything, and then we need to do the data load setting here, and we need to disable the relationship model here. So you can see like auto detect new relationship after the data is loaded, so it is already enabled. So first we need to disable this, and then we need to click on OK. So it requires a restart. No issues. Let's begin with the restart of the Power BI, and after doing the restart, it will work fine. Again, I am opening it. Again, it will take few seconds to load the Power BI. So now it's open, and every time when you open the Power BI, you will see this page, and just you need to cross it, and you can check to confirm that. So again, we are going in the option page, and the dialog box is appeared now. And preview feature, you can see every feature is disabled. Data load setting, it's not disabled yet. Now it's disabled. Okay. And now you are good to go. See you in the next tutorial.